Hi YouTubers, welcome to my channel. I'm Susie. Today we're going to do the FlyLady Babystep number 3, Get Dressed to Shoes. If you're new to my channel, baby steps prepare you for the FlyLady cleaning system. Baby step number 1 is shine your sink. That you should do every evening after dinner. And baby step number 2 is pick up clothes for tomorrow, and you should do that every evening before bedtime. And now it's time for baby step number 3, get dressed to shoes.
How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you.
I wake up around 6:30 working days, Monday to Friday. This baby step number 3, get dressed to shoes, includes also making your hair and makeup, or at least wash and moisturize your skin. And that is something, no matter if you're going to work or not, you should do every morning to be prepared for the day, according to the FlyLady.
We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. All the my scars start to heal.
You should not only get dressed, you should also put on jewelry that you have picked out for the outfit.
Give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me.
Ready for work! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Next video is baby step number 4, so stay tuned.